First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see 10 mixed arithmetic questions. Starting with question number 1. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. And click on the bell icon. First question is, Akash and Mohit entered into a partnership by investing 45900 and rupees 36500. After 6 months, Akash withdraw 95200. At the end of the year, they make a profit of some amount. Find the profit share of Mohit. Okay, there are two people, Akash and Mohit. Akash invested 45900 first. Next, Mohit invested 36500. After 6 months, Akash withdraw. So after 6 months, Akash withdraw 5200. So withdrawing 5200 from this one, we get a 40700. At the end of the year means extra 6 months left. Here it is a total 12 months. Now the ratio we get is this one, double zeros cancelled. So what we have is 459 plus 407, 16, 6. This will be 866, and this is nothing but here we have 365 into 2, 433 times. We have the ratio of Akash and Mohit is here. Now the profit total is given as 239400 total profit. Asked for the share of Mohit. Mohit value is 365. We need to find the 365 value. This is the total value of sum of these two, which will be 5 plus 3 8, 3 plus 6 9, 4 plus 3 7, 798. Value is 2394. Unit digit is 8 here, and here we have 4, so it must be into 3 times. 3 will be 24, and this will be 27, and 2 9, this will be 21 23. So it is exactly 300 times. So 365 into 300 times will be our answer. 3 5 times 15, 3 6 times 18, 19, 3 9 times 109 500. This is our answer. Option B is the answer for first question. Second question, Alisha, Rubina and Jyoti can complete a certain work in 30 days, 45 days and 60 days. If Alisha and Rubina started the work and worked for 9 days, after that Rubina left the work and the remaining work is completed by Alisha, Jyoti. Find the time taken to complete the total work. So Alisha, Rubina, Jyoti, 30 days, 45 days, 60 days. LCM of all these three is 180. This is 3 times, this is 4 times, this will be 6 times. So Alisha, Rubina started the work. Alisha, Rubina 10 and worked for 9 days. 10 9 times 90 will be completed in 10 days. Okay, remaining 90 units is completed by, after that 9 days Rubina left. Rubina left means Alina and Jyoti is left. 6 plus 3 9 units per day. To complete 90 units with 9 units per day, it takes 10 days. Sorry, it is 9 days. 9 days they completed 90 units. So here it takes 10 days. The question asked is find the total number of days. 9 plus 10, which will be 19 days. So answer will be 19 days. So option D is our answer. Next, third question. A boat can travel 36 kilometers downstream and 96 kilometers upstream in 10 hours. 36 divided by m plus s plus 96 divided by m minus s equals to 10. Okay, it can cover up to 54 kilometers downstream, m plus s, and 72 kilometers upstream, m minus s, in 9 hours. Find the speed of the still water. We need to find the value of m. So this is 9 1 times 9, 8 times 9, 6 times. So we have 6 m plus s equals to, let's take this with this side, 8 by m minus s. Here we have 36 by m plus s. So let's take this into 6 into 6 into 6. We have 36 m plus s value will be 6 minus 8 6 times 48 by m minus s. So instead of this we can write 6 minus 48 by m minus s plus 96 divided by m plus m minus s equals to 10. So we have the difference between these two is 48 divided by m plus m minus s, and this will be 4 for 12 times. So m minus s value we got here is 12. So this comes because of taking this part and equating this to 1 minus 8 by m minus s. What if we take this one and substitute in here? We get m plus s value. So what we do here is, let's take 8 by m minus s equals to, this goes there, 1 minus 6 by m plus s. So here we have 96 divided by m minus s, so into 12 will be 96. So this will becomes 12 minus 6, 12 times 72. So instead of 96 by m minus s, we can place 12 minus 72 by m plus s. So 36 by m plus s plus 12 minus 72 by m plus s equals to 10. So from this what we have is 36 by m plus s equals to 18 times. So m plus s value will be 18. So what we need to find the value of m. Sum of these two by 2 will be our answer. 30 divided by 2, so 15 is the answer. 15 kilometers per hour is our answer. Next we are going to see question number 4. The average of 19 members is 45.2. If the average of first 9 numbers and the last 9 numbers is 36.5 and 50.4 respectively, then find the 10th number. So question 4 says that here 19 into 45.2, 19 2 times 38, 19 5 times 95, 98, 76, which will be 85, 858.8. Okay, 9 into 36.5, 9 5 times 45, 9 6 times 54, 58, 93 times 27, 27 plus 5, 32. And another thing is 9 into 50.4, 9 4 times 36, 9 5 times 45. Sum of these two and subtract this 1, 9 plus 3, 12, 8, 7. Subtract this from this one, we have 0.76, 2 plus 5, 7, 76.7 is the answer for our question. So answer will be option A. Fifth one, train P running at a speed of 72 kilometers per hour. So converting it to meters per second, we get 72 into 5 by 18, 18 4 times, 4 5 times, 20 meters per second. Okay, this is one speed. Crosses a pole in 35 seconds. So length of the train P will be 35 into 20, which will be 700 meters. Will be length of the train P. It can also cross another train Q of length 800 meters. 700 plus 800, which will be 1500, which will be completed in 30 meters. 30 seconds means it will be the speed of both when it is traveling in opposite direction. So speed of the first train is 20 meters per second plus speed of the train Q, we don't know. So this will be 50 meters per second. 20 minus 50, which will be 30 meters per second, is the speed of the Q. But we need the speed in kilometers per hour. So it will be 30 into 18 by 5. 5 6 times 6 18 times will be 108. So answer will be 108 kilometers per hour. Option C is our answer. Next, sixth question. During annual examination of class 9, a student secured 78 marks in physics. Physics 78 marks out of 100. 95 marks in chemistry out of 120. And 117 marks in mathematics out of 150. Now find his overall percentage in 3 subjects. So we need to find the sum of these two and these 3. This will be 70, 370. Here we have 15, 20, 10, 19, 290. So the difference between the percentage is asked means 290 divided by 370 total into 100. So 0, 0 cancel. What we have is 37. Here options all are in 7. So 37 7 times will be 7 7 times 49, 7 3 times 21, 25, 259. So 290 minus 259 will be 1 0. This will be 8 minus 5, 310. So the next one must be 37 8 times. 37 8 times will be plus 37, we get a 6, 8 9, 296. So 8 times, so we get a 7 8. Here we left with 4 and 10, which will be 140 if we place pointer. So 140 means 37 3 times 21, 3 times 9 11. So 3 times 1 triple 1, this will be 39 at the end, 29. So it is approximately 290. 290 means we already see that 7 times will be 259. So we get approximately 780, 78.37 is the percentage. So option C is our answer for this one. Okay, this is question number 6. Now we are going to see question number 7. The ratio of the ages of Tina and Meena are given as 3:5. If the ratio of the ages of Tina 9 years, if the ratio of the age of Tina after 9 years, so plus 9, and Meena after 8 years, the ratio becomes 3:4. So 3x plus 9 divided by 5x plus 8, the ratio becomes 3:4. So 3 1 times 3 3 times. So 4 1 times will be 4x plus 3 4 times 12 equals to 5x plus 8. So we have x value is equals to 4. So Tina value is 3 4 times 12 and 5 4 times 20. 12 and 20 are the ages of Tina and Meena. The question asked is find the age of the Tina 7 years from now. Plus 7 will be 19. So answer will be 19. Option C is the answer for this question. Next, 8th question. A shopkeeper marked an article 136% above cost price. So market price is 136, cost price is 100, selling price it is cost price, and gave a discount of 25%. So 25% discount means 25 means 1/4 of 136, which will be 4 3 times 12 and 4 times. So subtracting 34 from 136, we get 102. So 2 is the profit. Let's see, the question says that if the value of the discount offered by him is 3060, so the discount which is given, which is 34, 34 is nothing but the value of 3060. 34 90 times, it is clear. So one part value is 90. So what the question asked is find the profit earned by him. We got a profit of 2 parts. 2 parts value will be, one part value is 90 means 2 parts value will be 90 into 2 180. So answer will be 180. Option A is our answer. Question number 9. A man invested certain amount of at 14.28% compound interest for a period of 3 years. Had the same amount has been invested at the simple interest at the same rate and same time, he would have got 2090 less than what he got at the compound interest. Find the simple interest earned by him. Okay, given that 14.28%, it is nothing but 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 means for compound interest you get 8 by 7 for 3 years means like this. So this is the principal and this is the compound interest. So for principal 7 3 times 343, compound interest he got 512, but these are not the exact values, these are into x values. Here it says that this is the actual principal. If for simple interest given for 14.28% for 3 years, he would get 343 principal. Let us assume as 343 only. For 1/7 principal for 3 years, we get a 749 times 49 into 3 times 9 3 times 27 and 3 4 times 12 plus 2 14 147 we get. Next, here it is not the compound interest, it is the total amount when it is interested, when it is for the compound interest. So the compound interest he got is the difference between these two, which will be 9 and 50 minus 34, which will be 16 169. This is compound interest for 3 years. This is simple interest for 3 years. The question says that he would have got 2090 less than what he got at the compound interest. So says that the difference between these two is 2090. Here the difference between these two is 22. 22 parts value is nothing but 2090. Now the question asked is find the simple interest earned. Simple interest is 147. We need to find the value of 147 parts value. So here we get 2 11 times 2 1045 times 11 9 times is 99 and 5 times is 55. So we get 95. 95 into 147 is our answer. So first what we do is let's divide this as 19 into 5. So 147 into 19 into 5. 19 7 times will be 133. 19 4 times 76. So 9 left with 8. 19 1 times 19. 19 plus 8 27 into 5 times. 5 3 times 15. 9 5 times 45 46 35 39 10 13 13965 is our answer. So answer will be option B is our answer for 9th question. Question number 10. The ratio of the number of boys and girls in the school is 5:4. So boys and girls in the ratio of 5:4. If 20% of the boys and 15% of the girls failed in the examination, so let's assume this as 50 and 40. 20% failed. So 20% means 10. 10 failed means 40 are passed. Here 15% failed means 10% 4 and 5% is 2, total 6 failed. So 6 failed means 34 are passed. Now the question asked is the number of students who pass the examination is 222. So sum of these two will be 74, but it is saying that 74 is nothing but 222. So what we need to find is find the passing percentage of boys if 6 more boys had passed in the exam. So initially we need to see how many boys are passed. So we need to find the value of 40p. Here 4 becomes 2 means it must be into 3 times. So 43 times will be 120. So total number of boys passed is 120 and 6 more boys are added means 126 boys are passed. Now the question asked is find the passing percentage of total boys. So this much boys are passed. So here we have 50x. X is nothing but the parts. 50 parts. 50 parts means in 53 times. 53 times will be 150. So total 150 parts. So into 100 is the passing percentage. This will be 3 times. This will be 2 times. So answer we got is 3 4 times and 2 times. So 84 is the answer. 84% is our answer. So that's all for today. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.